Tony said when he snaked it this last time a couple days ago, it opened up at about 10 to 15 feet. And here is a problem right here. Okay, so 12 foot.
13.
It's still cast iron.
Is it separated or what is it doing there?
No, just root intrusion.
Okay.
So usually it goes to cast or goes to crock about 5 foot outside the house. It looks like this may be the transition because just beyond this looks like clay. Yep. So yeah, 12 foot at 14 foot.
Bunch of dirt. Something.
Clay or man, look at that.
That's a lot.
What is that?
That's roots.
There's a lot in there.
That's roots growing into the sewer. See that? It's all tree roots.
Yeah, he just did that.
Well, you can see this is where he went, I think.
Okay.
It's 6 inch. It goes to 6 inch outside.
That's what he thought. He said his did 4, and he said he thought when it went to 6 that he might be missing stuff.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow.
Big difference.
Big difference.
Yeah, you could feel that thing yanking.
There's the next spot.
Oh, my goodness.
So yeah, it made quite an improvement. And then I think this is the third one. There's 3 spots.
Yeah, 18 was the final, I think.
Wow.